Alright, welcome to the inaugural grilling. This is the Philips Indoor Grill that doesn't make smoke. We're going to see how it makes steak. About an inch thick T-bone. Oh, listen to that sizzle. Well, I don't know what happened. If it blew the fuse on my power strip. That's lovely. About 6 minutes on each side. I've heard when you cook a steak on this, it's good to put it on one side, let it cook for 6-7 minutes, then flip it over, let it cook for 6-7 minutes, then it should be done. It's a little bit of a thinner steak. It's only about an inch thick, so did it for 6 minutes. We'll see how that goes. Wonder how much current it draws. Probably a lot. And time to flip. Oh, look at that. Look at them grill marks. Look at that. Looks good. And we should be done. Turn this bitch off. Look at that. Look at that. Looks good. The other side feels. Ooh, the fillet side is nice and tender. Ooh, that looks good. Put this on a plate there, let it rest a little bit. Just a minute or so, and we will be done. Yum yum.